Yo, what up, traders? Got a red day recap today. Didn't lose too much. Lost about $100 today, so just stay tuned. Yo, what up, traders? Got a red day, as you can tell in the description thumbnail. Didn't capture my entry here, but it's a little late record, but jumped in here 992. I was very late to this trade. Like, it was nothing all pre-market. It was just nothing. Like, this is my first trade of the day. I didn't trade it all pre-market, and there was just really nothing there, like nothing. And I got to this trade late. I should have already been in it towards like the blue. We see the little blue line here. That's where I should have had my entry at, in then like the 80s, not 92s. So yeah, got a red day. Look at the volume. Everything's sluggish today. It was just very sluggish this morning. Things started picking up, like WHLM. That started picking up like towards midday. But I usually don't trade after 11 o'clock. Like around 11, 12 is when that stock was going in. But I shouldn't have traded today at all. Like, just look at the pre-market. Look at the pre-market. Like, I don't know why I'm trading this stock. There's no action pre-market. There's no volume here. Look at this. Look at the bars. So this is not good stock selection. Like, I should have like waited for something to pop up on the scanners or something, or someone from my chat tell me to go do something. Like, this is just, it's not a good. This is not a good stock selection here. You want to pick the right stocks to trade. You know, my emphasis on this video: pick the right stocks to trade, and get out when the market is slow. Get out when you get profit. So I took an ad spot. Average is 370. I have 374 shares at 989 average. Caught a bet about myself right there. I was trying to hold it for 10. I got it, but I took it off way too soon. Got scary. So now I'm up about 18 bucks on the day. Next trade, same stock, same low volume bull crap. Like, look at the volume, man. It's declining. Sorry tape, and then only trade 1 million shares a day. Like, it's pretty low. This morning, at least. So I'm in here at $10. Bad entry. I want to be in way before that, like 994 or 5. I don't really like buying 10 like whole dollar support levels, but this is a bad entry as well. I get a little bounce, only 5 cents. Got the little bounce. Got to see. I didn't show my PL right there. My bad. I don't think I'm. Do I take another trade? So I'm up 24 bucks now. Look at this. Look at the like. There's no range. Like, look at the 5 minute here. These wicks. I shouldn't have been taking these trades. Like, I'm gonna say I should be taking these trades, but I should have just been weary of this stock. I probably shouldn't have been so focused on it. Like, I really don't even like these trades anymore because the volume was just not there on this stock. So got a little washout. That was like a little panic drop right there. It dropped on some low volume, and I went ahead and entered that position. I like playing these washouts. I'm gonna edit this and put that in my washout long examples. But you want to have washout long where there's a little bit more speed in the tape. Not as much hesitation in the tape where you want to play washout longs. You know, the volume is there. The volume is just sluggish on this stock. So, still in there, 1985. I'm up 5 cents. Just took it off right there. And I actually get the bigger rip because, I mean, the stock actually goes up in my favor. Couldn't really tell because the volume was just so sluggish. I couldn't get a read on it. Look at that rip. Look at that. Just look at that rip. So now, just trying to play off my strategy. It popped up above 50. I'm trying to play a dip below. Got the dip. I jumped in at 47, but did you see that though? Like, when this is a bad entry. It's a bad entry. When it dropped down here at 47, look at that. You see that wall? Like, one more time. With the drop here. Sorry. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. But like, I entered on 1047 with Big ass 200 share wall here. Like, it's a bad entry. Struggles. Struggles bad. Then, like, look at where I bought here. Like, I bought a wick. Like, the candle is up here. I mean, my entry is up here. Yeah, it's not a good trade. The spread is getting wider. 12-cent spread, 10-cent spread now. Stocks all over the place. Took an ass spot. I'm in 356 shares. 1042 is my average. And I don't get no rip. That wick there is very telling. Got a wick here, wick here. There's a lot of sell pressure. A lot of sell pressure. I should have been done with this stock when I got green on this stock. I should have just been done with it. Like this, it was just the volume was just too sluggish on this stock, and I got lucky when I made it. So look at that. Took those 2 trades. I added. Now I'm down $64 on the day. Look at that. Crazy swing. I was just up 30. Down 64 now. Jumped in there at 1024, 331 shares. And this is not a good play because it hasn't actually made, like, the wick here, it doesn't really make it that good of a play. I get a little bounce, I get a little squeeze, but it doesn't really move. It doesn't move up to that 1050 level. It's not a really big enough move. And I need to be taking it off now. Like I should have took that off like $36, but I think I'm just trying to get a bigger move. And I don't know what I'm doing here. I need to take this off. Like right there, I need to take it off for them $36. Be a nice gain. See, I thought I had a read on this stock, and I just thought I knew how the stock was gonna move. But this stock is just too choppy. This stock is too choppy, and I couldn't get a read. I couldn't trade it. Too choppy. Took it off right there, good. And actually went up. It's gonna go up a little more. Squeeze. Down $80. Like I made, look at it. You see that? Like I made money on that stock, and I still lost money on that stock. Let's go back. You see that? So I'm down. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm down $100. I'm sorry. I'm down $100 in a day. I made this trade here, and now I made $20. So now I'm down 80. Okay, never mind. So jumped in at 1039. It got to pop up above it, but the volume is just so weak. The pop. When I say the pop up above it, I mean the pop up above $10.50. But that volume was so weak. I cut it out too, man. Like soon as it got up above 1050 to that 1060 level, you could see in the tape like the bid just got forced down, almost like some manipulation a little bit. Like the bid was forced down. Like this would be a very good spot if the stock wasn't so choppy and uptrending. So I didn't show y'all that. Dude, I took a loss on this trade. It was a bad loss on this trade here. WHLM, I was trying to catch it in a halt resume, so I switched to it and I took this trade off. But this was a losing trade here. I just didn't capture. I forgot to edit that my PL in there. So anyway, WHLM, trying to play this. Look at the volume on this stock. That's why I'm trying to play this stock. But it's like my timing is just off today. My timing was just off. 747, and I got 42 shares. Like what the hell? Now I got my real position size 460. Need to be cutting it. I was just green. Didn't cut it. I think I do get greed on this stock. Do I get greed? Look at the tape starting to slow down. Look at the tape. The energy is slowing. Nope, don't get green on it. I had plenty of opportunities to get green on this stock. Didn't do it. And now it's gonna be a loss. Look at that. Like I don't like with the stock. It moves pauses. The tape. It needs to just go, move, flow. Here we go. We're trying to get it attempt up. Seen a big wall at 46 and instantly dropped like 10 cents there. Like, look at the bids. Look at the bids. 40, 45, 44 just dropped like 8 cents, 4, 6 cents, whatever it was. The bids can't hold the 40s. 40s back on the axe. Big wall there. Look at that. The tape is getting thick now. The level 2 is getting thick. Don't like it. Don't like this at all. This stock just got crowded out of nowhere. They go to drop. Took it off for a loss. Like I'm glad I took that off right there though for that because I knew the drop was coming. Like I knew that drop was coming, and I'm glad I got out before the drop. Yeah, it's gonna drop. Yeah, look at that. Very sluggish trading today. A little bit of sloppy trading. I didn't overtrade today. I think I took like 10 trades. I didn't overtrade, but just couldn't seem to. It seemed like I was just always late. So I couldn't seem to catch anything. Then when I got into the stock, it was just everything was just very, very heavy. Jumped in here at 734. Trying to play it back above 750. And I think I do get it right at the top. $46. Look at the big walls at 50. Look at them right there. So took it off. I took it off early because I got scared of the wall. But down 140. Jumped in here 714. Almost a little washout long play. Got dumped on a little bit. Jumped in there way too early. Need to be trying to like right now. I should have been taking an ad. It might be my first entry. So jumped in at 707. Got 400 shares. And just trying to just get a bounce, like 10-cent bounce. I know I'm not gonna get that 20-cent bounce. Trying to get like a 10-cent bounce. I want the 20-cent bounce, but it's not gonna happen. So just took it off for a quick little pop. Made $40 now. So that's all I got, you guys. Lost $116 today. Red Day recap. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will come out with some more educational videos. Thank you.